In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lingua Insights. This is Mavish Rana once again with you with another interesting topic, and that is past perfect continuous tense. I hope you are learning something from my videos. My videos are very comprehensive and concise, content for you people to understand or for to conceptual study. For full understanding of tenses and full understanding of past perfect continuous, you should, uh, watch all the videos till end. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights, and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's start the lectures of today, that is past perfect continuous tense. Here are some learning objectives of this lecture. Understand the concept of past perfect continuous tense. In this presentation, we will delve into the past perfect continuous tense and its relevant in daily life. Learn how to form sentences in the past perfect continuous tense. We will uncover the rules for crafting sentences in the past perfect continuous tense with practical examples. Practice using past perfect continuous tense in real life situations. You will have opportunities to apply this tense in various everyday sentences. Demystifying the past perfect continuous tense. What does it mean? The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing in the past and had a duration before something else happened. It is formed using had been, the base form of the verb, plus ing. This is the structure, how to create or how to structure the past perfect continuous tense. Crafting the past perfect continuous tense. The form of the past perfect continuous tense use had been followed by the base form of the verb ing. Subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. They had been playing tennis, for example. Subjects had not been, verb plus ing. This is the negative structure. This is the example of constructing negative structure of past perfect continuous. They had not been playing tennis. From example 1, we can see that this is the positive structure of past perfect continuous tense. We just add subject, had been, verb with verb form of verb ing. And to make it negative, we just add not. The structure is the same like positive. Now the question is that how to construct question structure: had plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing. Had is in the beginning of the sentence. It means that you will start or construct your sentence with had, and then subject, then been, then verb form of verb with ing, and then object. This is the question structure. Let's have further insights. The past perfect continuous tense help us convey the idea that action was in progress for some time before something else occurred. For example, he had been working at the company for 5 years when he decided to retire. Did you know that the past perfect continuous tense is often used to emphasize the duration of an action in the past? Real life examples: he studied for the exam for hours before the phone rang. Correct answer: she had been studying for the exam for hours before the phone rang. They play basketball all afternoon before it started raining. No, it's not a correct sentence. For past perfect continuous, we use they had been playing basketball all afternoon before it started raining. Let's have another example. He worked on the project for weeks when he finally completed it. Correct answer is he had been working on the project for weeks when he finally completed it. Okay, let's start. This is the practice. You have to brainstorm. You have to analyze that how much your understanding is, and you will fill out these blanks with past perfect continuous tense. So let's start. She dashed a book for hours before she fell asleep. So here is she had been reading. They dashed their musical instrument all morning before the concert. They had been running their musical instruments. He dashed a marathon for 2 hours. When he reached the finish line, he had been practicing. Choose the correct past perfect continuous sentence, like she had been or she has been practicing the piano for 2 hours before the concert. Past perfect continuous has been or had been. What you will say? It's your brainstorming. They were had been playing in the park afternoon before rain started. He had been has been studying for the past days for before he exited. We are or had been working in the forest when we found the hidden treasures. The workers have been building the bridge for months before it was completed. So definitely it will be had been. The guys problem is that we all have the idea that how to construct past perfect continuous tense, and we have also the concepts, but when we apply these rules in our daily life situation, in our daily life conversation, we find difficulty to apply them all. So when especially when you are telling a story to someone in any topic, you have facing problems in speaking in conversation. So don't sport the mistakes, I don't commit mistakes. Like read the story. Here is an activity for you guys. Spot the mistake in the story. Read the story and find the mistakes in the use of past perfect continuous tense. Correct the sentences. Like yesterday, Sarah was tired because she had run a marathon. She had been running for hours. When she crossed the finish line, then she ate a delicious meal. This is the time of your brainstorming. You will do analyze yourself and put it the right form of verb according to the situation. Thank you for exploring Lingua Insights with past perfect continuous tense. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Lingua Insights with the past perfect tense. May your language skills continue to flourish. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights, and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Believe in yourself and always be optimistic. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.